Hi, Mummy. Hi, Roxy. Hi, Roxy. Hi, Roxy. Hi, Roxy. Wag your tail. Wag your tail. You do your trick. You do your trick. You do your trick. You do your trick. That's it. That's Mama's trick. That's Mama's party piece. She's a gas lady. So she is. She's a gas lady. Oh, Cindy. Cindy. Hello, gorgeous boy. Hello, gorgeous boy. Hello, gorgeous boy. Hello, gorgeous boy. Hello. Hello. Oh, you have the camera. Hello. 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 Oh, the lovely puppies. Oh, the lovely puppies. Hello. Hello. So this is Alfie. Say hello, Alfie.
This is Alfie,
Alfie,
the
Alfie.
biggest
Hello.
boy.
This is our biggest boy. Hello, Alfie. That's one. This is girl.
This is girl.
Daisy.
Daisy.
Hello, Daisy. Hello. Next one is
This
Benny.
is Benny.
That's Benny. He's lovely boy, isn't he? Gorgeous boy. And our last, this is the small little fella. And he is adorable and we call him Marley. After Marley and me. He's so cute. Beautiful Bichon.
Like a little teddy bear.
Absolutely gorgeous. Now just show you quickly where they sleep. This is their little bed in here. Fine big crate. And they sleep in here and then they go to the newspaper, so I'm trained to do that. And the mat is always dry in the morning and they just do the peas there, and the peas are actually getting smaller and smaller, and they're also being brought outside first thing every time they get out to go to the toilet as well, so that's going to make life a lot easier for people because they have a good start got for the training. So that's them, and what we're feeding them on now is the Gain, which is a very good nut, very nutritious nut. It's a good source of omega-3, shiny coat, no added wheat. It's nice small kibble, and it's good for milk calcium, which is good for the strong bones. So that's it. Here are all our babies. Now, here are all our babies. Hello. Hello, babies. Now, night night. Say night night. Say night night.